What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. Appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. So today we're going to be talking about microphones. A lot of people be hitting me up and they be like, yo, I'm trying to start my home studio. I'm on a budget. What microphone should I get? Yada, yada, yada. Listen, I'm here to tell you, starting your home studio to somebody who don't know anything about studio equipment, it can be overwhelming, a little bit intimidating, but I'm here to tell you, you don't have to have a crazy budget to start a home studio. The end goal is to invest and get, better equipment and all of that stuff, but in the beginning, you got to use what you got to get what you want. I'm going to show you guys a few different microphones that's very cheap but sound real good. Today, we're going to talk about 3 microphones that's very inexpensive but still good quality that I would recommend just when you're starting out your home studio. First, we're going to talk about the NW700. Then we're going to talk about the BM800. And then we're going to talk about the Rockville RCM01. Those are a few mics that I started out with and I highly recommend them. So when I was first starting out, I invest in a lot of microphones. It's like I have more than this, but this is just a few of them. And I was trying to find my sound. And to be honest, every microphone sounds different. So it just depends on what you're trying to do, whether you're trying to do podcasts, whether you're trying to be a recording artist. You just got to trial and error. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to talk about those 3 microphones and we're going to see what kind of sound we can get. Also, if you're a recording artist and you're trying to figure out the best microphone, also a lot of it have to do with your mix. If you know how to mix real good, mix vocals, the microphone do play a part, but you can get good quality with a cheap microphone if you know how to mix real good. I actually have vocal presets in the link below. They're free for a limited time, so hurry up and go get them if you're using FL Studio 20 and up. All right, so I do have free vocal presets that will help you with your mix and your music. But without further ado, let's get into this microphone test. So this right here is the newer NW700, and off the back, this microphone is real loud. I had to turn the gain down real low from the previous microphone. So yeah, it's super sharp in my ears right now, but I also don't have a wind protector thing on it, the microphone thing on it. I don't have that on there. So I'm gonna just record something real quick and just see how it sounds. So I don't have a beat or nothing. I'm just gonna do some raw vocals. This is the newer NW700. What do you think? It seems like it's picking up real good and it has a preset on it. So let's listen back to that. This is the newer NW700. What do you think? It seems like it's picking up real good and it has a preset on it. All right, so that was this microphone. I'm going to switch and use the BM800. So hold on. Okay, this is the the BM800. And I didn't adjust the gain from the previous microphone. Y'all could probably tell me more how it sounds. Is there a difference? We're going to record using a preset and see what it sounds like. So I'm going to mute this one and let's go. This is the BM800. I'm using a preset. It seems like it's picking me up real good. And again, I'm not using the wind screen, so that's also going to play a part in this. All right, let's listen back. This is the BM800. I'm using a preset. It seems like it's picking me up real good. And again, I'm not using the wind screen, so. All right, so that's how that microphone sounded. And now we're about to use the Rockville RCM01. Hold on. This microphone sounds a little bit different. It don't sound as sharp as the other 2 microphones. And yeah, so this is the Rockville mic. So let's record something on here. This is the Rockville RCM01 with the preset on. It's not as sharp as the other ones. Testing, testing, 1, 2. All right, let's listen to that. This is the Rockville RCM01 with the preset on. It's not as sharp as the other ones. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Now, to be honest, out of all three of those, I feel like this one is the best. And once you put a wind protector on it, I think it's going to sound a lot better. I would recommend all three of these microphones if you're just starting out and you need microphones for your home studio. Hold on, let me switch back to my original mic. Hold on. All right, we back. So this was the NW700. You can find this microphone for a whopping $15. Yes, $15. This is a good microphone to start out with. And then we have the BM800. You can find this one for roughly about the same price. Good microphone. Again, try these with windscreens on them. You'll probably get a better result. And last but not least, this is the Rockville RCM01. And this one is a little bit more. This is about $40. This one I would honestly say is the best. With a windscreen on it, it'll do you justice, I promise. You know, just again, it's all about how you mix your vocals and how your room is treated. So that also plays a part in it as well. You know, you don't have to start out with a $500 microphone. You know, you can start low and, you know, later down the line, build your equipment or whatever. So, all right. If you found this video helpful at all, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so I know I'm giving y'all good content. And also, I have free vocal presets. I have the Easy Clean vocal preset. I have volume 1 and volume 2 in the link, so y'all can, you know, grab those. They're free for a limited time. All right. So y'all go check those out. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see y'all later.